This is a guide on replacing an LCD screen on the ASUS X540B. To begin, shut down the laptop and disconnect the power cord. The first step is to remove the bezel that is held in place with two Phillips screws in the bottom corners. The screws are covered with two plastic covers. Use a knife to remove the screw covers. Remove the two Phillips screws holding the bezel. Start removing the bezel. Carefully pull the plastic away from the screen by its inner edge. Start from the left side, then go around the perimeter, unsnapping the tab underneath. Remove the bezel. The LCD panel is held in place by four Phillips screws. Remove the two top screws. The bottom screws are covered with a grounding tape. Peel off one side of the tape. Remove two bottom screws. Place the LCD panel on the keyboard. The video cable is secured with clear tape. Peel the tape off. Gently slide the cable out. Remove the LCD panel. Take the new LCD screen and place it on the keyboard. Align the video cable with the LCD's connector and using both hands, gently slide the connector into the jack. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and align it with its mounting holes. Replace the two bottom screws. Then two screws in the top. Use the grounding tape to cover the two bottom screws. Replace the bezel. Start at the bottom corners, then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs underneath. Replace the two Phillips screws at the bottom of the screen. Replace the two plastic covers. Close the laptop and make sure the bezel is snapped in at the bottom and near the hinges. Reconnect the power cord. Press the power button and we're done.